नमस्ते बच्चों, आप सब कैसे हैं? सब ठीक है ना? Okay, dear students, what we have learned in the previous class, do you remember? Lesson 3, हमारा तिरंगा. I hope you all studied that chapter. Okay, today we are going to take the next chapter, lesson 4, सबसे अच्छा कौन? Part 4, सबसे अच्छा कौन? Who is the best? Okay, who is the best? Actually, this is a story. Okay. So let's read this chapter. Okay. For that, all of you take your textbook. Page number 17. Page number 17. Part 4. सबसे अच्छा कौन? एक दिन शाहजहां अकबर चांदनी महल में अपने नवरत्नों के साथ बैठे हुए थे. नवरत्न. This word is new for you. Okay, let's see what do you mean by Navaratna.
Children, this is the court of Akbar. Full name Abdul Fazlal Uddin Muhammad Akbar, the third emperor of Mughal dynasty. Here we can see some scholars and talented persons. Navaratnas, the word means a group of 9 extraordinary people in emperor's court in India. Let's see the names of Akbar's 9 jewels or Navaratnas. Abul Fasal, Raja Todarmal, Abdul Rahim Khan Khana, Raja Birbal, Mullah Do Piazza, Sheikh Faizi, Fakir Aziauddin, Mian Tansen, Raja Mansingh.
I hope you understood what is Navaratna. Okay, now let's start to read. एक दिन शाहजहां अकबर चांदनी महल में अपने नवरत्नों के साथ बैठे हुए थे. उन्होंने नवरत्नों से पूछा, फूल किसका अच्छा, दूध किसका अच्छा, मिठास किसकी अच्छी, पत्ता किसका अच्छा और राजा कौन अच्छा. एक दिन, वन डे, शाहजहां अकबर चांदनी महल में अपने नवरत्नों के साथ बैठे हुए थे. The emperor Akbar was sitting with his 9 jewels at Chandni Mahal, the palace of Akbar. One palace is there, Chandni Mahal there. उन्होंने नवरत्नों से पूछा, and he asked to these 9 jewels. Okay, these members. फूल किसका अच्छा? He asked 5 questions. Total he asked 5 questions. Which are they? Let's see. फूल किसका अच्छा? Which flower is better? Okay, which flower is better? And दूध किसका अच्छा? दूध, milk. Okay, which milk is better? और मिठास किसकी अच्छी? मिठास, sweetness. What's sweet is good. पत्ता किसका अच्छा? And which leaf is good? राजा कौन अच्छा? Who is the best king? Who is the best king in the world? Okay, so he asked these questions. किसी ने कहा कि गुलाब का फूल सबसे बढ़िया होता है, तो किसी ने कहा कमल का. किसी की नजर में गाय का दूध अच्छा था, तो किसी के ख्याल से बकरी का. कुछ गन्ने की मिठास को पसंद करते थे, तो कुछ शहद सबसे मीठा लगता था. किसी ने केले के पत्ते का गुणगान किया, तो किसी ने नीम के पत्ते का. राजा के बारे में भी लोगों की अलग अलग राय थी. एक दो ने तो शाहजहां अकबर की महिमा का ही बखान कर डाला. So let's see the next paragraph. किसी ने कहा गुलाब का फूल सबसे बढ़िया होता है. If somebody said rose flower is the best flower, then somebody said lotus flower is the best one. किसी की नजर में गाय का दूध अच्छा था, In someone's point of view, cow milk is the best one, but somebody said God's milk is best one. Okay, तो अच्छा गाय का दूध अच्छा था तो किसी के ख्याल से बकरी का। कुछ गन्ने के मिठास को पसंद करते थे, and somebody said sugar canes, the sweetness of sugar cane is best one. तो कुछ को शहद सबसे मीठा लगता था, and somebody said शहद means honey, okay, शहद honey, and the sweetness of honey is best one. किसी ने केले के पत्ते का गुणगान किया, and somebody praised the quality of leaf of banana, okay, banana plant's leaf. किसी ने नीम के पत्ते का गुणगान किया, किसी ने नीम के पत्ते का, नीम means neem tree, okay, the leaf of neem tree. Somebody said neem's leaf is the best one. Okay. राजा के बारे में भी लोगों ने अलग अलग राय थी, and about this king, who is the best king, everybody have their own opinion. So एक दो, one or two said शाहशाह अकबर की महिमा का ही बखान कर डाला. One or two said they praised about Akbar, the emperor Akbar. Okay. शाहशाह को ये सब जवाब अच्छे लगे, and emperor liked these all answers. Okay, he was very happy with these all answers, but at that time he noticed. लेकिन बीरबल अभी तक चुप थे, and his favorite among these 9 jewels, who's that? Birbal, Raja Birbal. He was silent at that time. शाहशाह ने उसने राय देने के लिए कहा, and the emperor said, please give the answer, please give your opinion. Like that he said. बीरबल ने उत्तर दिया, and बीरबल gave answer. Alampana, your majesty. Alampana means your majesty. So it's showing respect to the king. Your majesty, फूल कपास का उत्तम होता है, and the flower, the first question is flower, no? So the flower of cotton plant is the best one. You already know by using cotton flower, cotton, okay, that is a flower. So by using cotton we are making cloths. So that is the best flower in the world. उसी से हम सबको तन ढकने के लिए कपड़ा मिलता है. बीरबल said, by using that cotton we are making cloths for covering our body. So that is the best one. दूध माँ का अच्छा होता है, and milk, which is the best milk. For that question he gave the answer. Mother's milk, that means breast milk is the best milk. उसे पीकर बच्चा फलता फूलता है. After drinking that one, the child becomes stronger. And मिठास जुबान की अच्छी होती है. Okay. Zuban means tongue. Zuban means tongue. And the sweetness, which is the best sweet. For that question he gave the answer. The sweetness of our tongue is the best one. Okay, sweetness of our tongue is the best one. पत्ता पान का सबसे बढ़िया होता है. And next question, पत्ता किसका अच्छा? Which leaf is the better one, best one? So he said pan, betel leaf is the best one. And it is a custom for taking resolution. We are showing this betel leaf, okay, to show our honesty. So इसे पेश करने पर दुश्मन को भी दोस्त बना लिया जाता है. After showing this, okay, if we are showing that beetle leaf, we are making our friend. We can make our friend enemy also as our friend. Okay, we can make our enemy also our friend. पान बीड़ा उठाने पर हर आदमी ईमानदारी से अपना वजन निभाता है. Okay, ईमानदारी, honesty. If we are showing this leaf, everybody will show their honesty. Okay, for taking resolution we are showing this. Okay, it's a promise. और आलम का नाम सबसे अच्छा राजा इंद्र है. Oh, my dear majesty. Okay, the king Indra is the best king. In my point of view, Raja Indra is the best king. Why? What is the reason he said? इंद्र की कृपा से ही आकाश से जल बरसता है. Okay, because of his kindness we are getting rain from the sky. Okay, we believe that Raja Indra is the king of rain. Okay. सभी लोग बीरबल की योग्यता का लोहा मान गए. शाहनशाह तो बहुत ही खुश हुए. सभी लोग, everybody agreed with his ability. Okay, he said it is very right, it is very correct. They said it is very correct. What all the things Birbal said, it is very correct. Okay, show acknowledge supremacy. Okay. Shahanshah तो बहुत ही खुश हुए, and the emperor was very happy by listening his words. Okay, only that much. Now this chapter is over. For the next class we will discuss the notes. Okay, so let's wind up this session. We will see you in the next class. धन्यवाद बच्चों.